Hello students, your topic for today is award of claim tribunal. So, when you talk about award of claim tribunal, the expression award must be given a very wider and a proper meaning. An award would comprehend every decision of the tribunal, whether for or against the claimant or opposite parties. So, the meaning of the word award, as given in the Webster New World Dictionary, is a decision as by judges. So, Section 168 of the Act provides that the claims tribunal shall deliver the copies of the award to the parties within 15 days of the award, and that the person against whom the award is made shall deposit the amount awarded within 30 days of announcement of the award. And on receipt of an application for compensation made under Section 166, the claims tribunal shall, after giving notice of the application to the insurer and after giving the parties an opportunity of being heard, hold an inquiry into the claim, or as the case may be, each of the claims and subject to the provisions of Section 162, may make an award determining the amount of compensation which appears to it to be the just and specifying the person or persons to whom the compensation shall be paid. And in making the award, the claim tribunal shall specify the amount which shall be paid by the insurer or the owner or the driver of the vehicle involved in the accident, or by all or any of them, as the case may be. There was a case, Ranubala Paul versus Bani Chakravarti, and in this it was held that an award under Motor Vehicle Act 1988 cannot be equated either with a civil or a criminal case, and the tribunal, while awarding compensation, is not expected to go into niceties or technicalities, but must adopt a broad and a liberal approach. Then, in New India Assurance Company Limited versus J. Lakshmi, it was held that the tribunal is expected to award a compensation which appears to be just, and it follows that in deserving cases, the tribunal may not be bound by the figure stated in the claim petition, and it can award an amount even more than what has been claimed. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.